Hey there, YouTubers. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a pizza.
It's baking, it's cooking, it's making dinner with Matt.
So it's really simple. And also, if you don't know, this video is going to be mainly geared towards millennials. So the first thing is, if you made a pizza the other night, you're going to make sure you get rid of your dirty pizza pan. You don't want to reuse your dirty pizza pan. You might get crusties in the oven. Stuff like that. So we already got a new pizza pan, already prepped, ready to go. Then the other thing, probably you want to make sure you preheat the oven early. So that way whenever you finally finish prepping your pizza, that it's ready to go. And you'll do that first, just to get that out of the way. And that way you can be doing everything with your pizza prep and be all good and ready to go. Okay, now it's time for our pizza prep. We got our pan ready, we got our oven preheated. So now while it's preheating, we're gonna go ahead and make our pizza. Get the foundation set. So really, it's not too hard. Here, me and my wife, we normally go with like 2 or 3 choices. So today, we're just mainly deciding between this pizza or this pizza. I think I'm gonna go with the margarita pizza, DiGiorno. I don't really believe the commercials when it says, can't believe it's not delivery or whatever their slogan is, that you think it's delivery pizza, like who delivered. Like, I mean, DiGiorno's really good. Red Baron's a cheaper option to go for, but still good quality. So to prep your pizza, I mean, you just want to make sure you read the instructions. So I preheated the oven too hot. That's one thing I noticed as soon as I turn it over. Most of the pizzas I cook are 400, so I want to go ahead and just change that temperature, just like that. Now the next thing you want to do is open your pizza box. There's normally a few different spots where you can open it at, and you'll tear it open like so, and then you're going to gently pull out your already prepped pizza. Now the other good thing about the margarita pizza is there's no pepperonis. And with pepperonis, you gotta try to organize them and make them evened out, because sometimes on the box they're like just all thrown in like a middle or in one pile. Margarita pizza, as you can see, nothing like that to worry about. It's all good to go. It's locked and loaded. You can normally get a margarita pizza for about $6 at your local grocery store. If you're paying more than $6 for pizza, you need to rethink your pizza choices. That's my slogan. Those Red Barons are like $3. So if you're looking for good pizza that's cheaper than Little Caesars, you got that. You're looking for pizza that's better than Little Caesars, then you're looking at $6. Let's see. So now we took our pizza out of this encased plastic. Very important you take it out of this plastic. And you also want to check for a cardboard box or a cardboard piece under your pizza. Sometimes they'll trick you and they'll have one on there. You don't want to throw that in there. It's just going to get burnt up in the oven and ruin your pizza. But the plastic, you definitely can't stress this enough. You definitely want to take the plastic off. Otherwise, your pizza's going to be completely ruined. So, I don't have a square pizza pan, unfortunately. That's the only bad thing about DiGiorno's margarita pizza. I wish they did it in the round, but it's probably because they want the crust hand tossed, so it's a little thinner. I get it. It's going to be delicious. So I know our oven's not done preheating yet, but who cares? It's going to be close. And it says 15 to 17 minutes, so since the pizza isn't preheated, I'm going to put the timer on for 17 minutes, just that max amount. So this part's the real easy part, but you want to be careful, because this little box thing here, where we preheat it, it's hot. So you just want to throw that in there. Don't touch any of the metal inside the hot box, and then just close it back on there. adjust your timer. Like I said, it says 15 to 17 minutes. So I'm going to go on the 17-minute high just because our oven's not done preheating yet. And, okay, and we're just going to go ahead and stop the video there. And I'll be right back in 17 minutes to take the pizza out. That's the noise we're looking for. That noise right there means the timer's gone off and that the pizza is now ready to come out of the oven. So the video's not going to be stable here, but I just want to show you as we're coming out. See? So first thing you want to do when the timer's going off is immediately turn off your oven. And then next thing, very important, you get one of these oven mitt thingies. They make them in all sorts of different shapes, colors, stuff like that. And then you're going to open up your hot box. And in there is it. The delicious homemade pizza. Cooked to perfection. And if you follow this video on how to make pizza, you can get the same great results. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut into this and eat this pizza. But before you leave the channel, make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And I'll make sure to post them as frequently as I can. And if you have any questions on how to get great results like this, just message me and I'll help you out in whatever way I can. Okay, y'all have a great day. Bye.
It's baking, it's cooking, it's making dinner with Matt.